y'all? So I haven't been looking my best and I decided to do a little maintenance at home. So I did my hair and my nails and I just wanted to show y'all how I get things done. Hey, what's up y'all? Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Brittany. Hey girl, hey, let's go ahead and get into today's video. So I'm putting on this Unice wig. I've worn this twice. It's the curly highlighted, blonde highlighted wig, and I'm going to do my nails as well, y'all. Like, I don't have my hair or my nails done, and your girl's trying to get into it and get cute. And then I went and picked up these new eyelashes that I got from the beauty supply store from this brand that I really love. These are the iMovie Luxury Mink 3D eyelashes, number 15. And y'all let me know if y'all think these are cute. Like, I feel like they are so freaking cute. Like, they aren't doing too much. Like, I usually do the number ones, which are really big and a little bit more dramatic, which these are my faves, y'all. Like, number one, they are a little bit on the expensive side. They're like $5.99 a pack, but baby, it was well worth it. Okay, y'all let me know what y'all think, because these are cute. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. I'm going to show y'all my setup as far as the nails, and this is the packaging that I got my wig in. I always put my wigs back into the packages so they can stay neat and put away. So let me show y'all my setup. All right, so this is everything that I got. I'm going to be using the Btartbox X coat tips, and these are the French tips, and I love these, y'all. I still got a couple of more left, so I decided to go ahead and put those on, and then I'm going to add some bling, y'all. Some bling. And then we got the Melody Susie nail drill. I got the Btartbox nail lamp. I got some nail drills. And these are some of the tools that I'm going to be using. I got the Btartbox nail glue and top coat. But somebody was telling me to use, I believe somebody was in my comments on the last video that I did on my nails, and they told me to use a solid nail glue gel. So I might end up using this to apply my nails. We'll see. But yeah, this is the box that it comes in, if you guys are interested, and you'll get literally everything. This is the 3-in-1 soft gel system. So yeah, I'm gonna do my hair first, so you know my nails can be fresh. So let's get into it.
Nigga go by the name of Jock. He resides in College Park, right? But for right now, what we gotta do for y'all, what we gonna do? We gotta get y'all in here.
Jason Rich on the beat.
Hey,
damn it every day. Asking me a question like Jock, where you stay? Tell me College Park, where the Jock call. Eat 20 grand, spend a grand at the bar. This is about his own. J's on my feet. I'm on another channel, so get like me. 69 cutlass, hit the bucket seats. Deep in my trunk, bought it just for the free. Catch me in the hood, posted at the store. Whistling up my lap on the phone, counting dough. This the girl true, let her do a thing.
I want to do my hair like this or if I want to do another style. I feel like this is pretty cute, but I don't know. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Let's go ahead and get into the nails.